Hi, I'm going to show you how to make this crochet flower. I used an H hook. You can use any type of hook. It's a pretty simple flower, great for beginners. The pattern is down below. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, slip knot onto your hook and then chain 4. So yarn over and pull through, and once you've chained 4, you're going to slip stitch in that beginning chain to create a ring. So insert and then grab the yarn and pull it through. Okay, you're going to chain 3, then yarn over, insert your hook and grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on the hook for a half double crochet, and then chain 1. You're going to do this 8 more times for a half double crochet and chain 1 for a total of 10 until you get to the beginning. Slip stitch into the chain 2 to complete. Yarn over and pull through, and then you'll add on a new color of yarn. You're going to slip stitch in the chain 1 with your new color and pull it through. Slip stitch in with your new color, and then you're going to chain 3 to get started. So then 1, 2, and then 3. Then you're going to yarn over and draw up your loop 5 times. So that's 1, and then 2, 3, and then 4, and then 5, and draw up your loop as much as you can to the chain 3, yarn over, pull through all loops but the last 2, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Okay, now you're going to chain 3, go into the next chain 1 space, slip stitch, and then chain 1, 2, 3, yarn over, insert the hook, pull up 5 times, and that's 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5, and then yarn over, pull through all loops but the last 2, then yarn over, pull through 2, and then chain 3 again, and then this is just all repeat. You're going to slip stitch in the chain 1 space, and then chain 3, and then drop your loops 5 times again. So slip stitch, chain 3, and then drop your loops 5 times. And pull through both loops and just repeat that for each petal. Chain 3, slip stitch in the chain 1 space, and just repeat that for each petal around. Okay, complete with your chain 3, and then slip stitch in the beginning chain space, and then you're going to fasten off and then weave in all of your ends, and your flower will be complete. Take your yarn needle and weave in all of your ends to complete in the back. Now your flower is complete and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.